get the absolute best result in skincare, you need to know how to layer them properly, because there's always a difference in the skin of a person who knows how to layer their skincare products and the skin of someone who doesn't know how to do it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to layer your body skincare product, because we've talked about the face so many times, how to layer your face skincare product. So I'm going in details on your body layering. So the first thing you need is a bar soap. A bar soap is something you're going to use to first pre-cleanse your skin. But before you apply this bar soap, always make sure your body is wet, your body is damp. Because I know when we're growing up, sometimes we just put soap in our sponge and just start washing before putting water, maybe because there is cold and all that. But the proper way is to make sure your body is properly wet enough to feel moisturized, then before you go in with a bar soap like this. And if you are using a black soap or a liquid black soap, something to still pre-cleanse your skin, then you can use it at this point. And the best combo for this is an African net sponge. I highly recommend African net sponge because it helps to gently exfoliate the skin, helps to clean the skin properly well. And if you are someone that is using a Syndet bar like Dove soap, you honestly need an African net sponge, something that cleanses your skin very well, something that helps to remove dirt, excess oil from the skin. The African net sponge is a good combo to use with your pre-cleansing bar. Now, after you have thoroughly washed your skin, you go in with your body scrub. This is the point in your skincare layering. You apply your body scrub. And you can use any body scrub of your choice. That is your personal preference. It doesn't have to be this particular one. Then you use an exfoliating gloves. For me, how I actually pair this up is I just first use my palm to apply the body scrub all over my skin, and then I wet these bar gloves. I wear it and put some of the body scrub on it, and then I use it to thoroughly scrub my skin. Why I do this is because the body scrub now takes a little bit more time on my skin, and with these bar gloves, I get a thorough exfoliation. And I do this twice every single week. So using body scrub is not an everyday routine, it's just twice in a week. So this exfoliating glove is also very important. Though you can use this exfoliating glove with your pre-cleansing soap to bathe as well as your method of pre-cleansing, you can also use your African net sponge. But this one is a little bit harsh compared to the African net sponge. So the net sponge can be used every single day, but I don't think this can be used every single day to bathe. Now, after you have properly scrubbed your skin, you use a hydrating body wash. A hydrating body wash, because after scrubbing your skin, there's always a way the skin feels dry, and if the scrub is very harsh, your skin can start stinging or itchy. You need a very hydrating body wash. And if you know your skin is not too sensitive and your body scrub is not the one that is too harsh for your skin, then you can use an exfoliating body wash, depend on how your skin reacts to it. All you just need is to know how to pair your body wash with your body scrub to actually get the best result without stripping off your skin or getting itchiness. This is what I use on my skin. I use this every single day after pre-cleansing my skin, and also on days where I'm done exfoliating my skin. So this is what you go in with to hydrate your skin. And if you're someone that is also very obsessed with a smell of products, you can also get the one that smells so nice. This one here, the Scent Eyes, also smells so nice. There are lots of Dove variant body wash that also smell so amazing. So this is the time to apply your body wash. So for your body wash, you can use your sponge to, apply it on your skin. You can also use your bath gloves, apply it on your skin. Maybe you are done exfoliating your skin, you have not pulled the bath gloves, you just want to use it with your body wash, you can also do that as well. So now after you are done with the body wash, of course you are done with your in-shower routine. At this point, you need to make sure you don't use your towel to dry off all the water on your skin. This is so important, and that's the reason why for me personally, I apply my skincare product in the bathroom. I do not apply my skincare product outside the bathroom, because the moisture in the bathroom, everything just gives my skin a lot of hydration. So now you pat dry your skin, leaving your skin at least a little bit damp. Your skin should not feel dry at all. Now you apply your body lotion. And your body lotion has to be very, very hydrating on days where you are exfoliating your skin, okay? So I'm using the Fair and White So White Skin Perfector just as an example in this routine. You can use any body lotion of your choice. That is where it comes in. You make sure your body lotion is on a damp skin and not a dry skin, because the difference is very, very clear. When you apply your body lotion on a skin that is dry, overly dry with your towel, your body lotion will be hard to penetrate on your skin. And even when you're using your hand to apply it on your skin, you can feel that the process is a little bit hard compared to when your skin is a little bit damp. It just easily go in around your skin and absorb super well. So that absorption is what we're talking about. After you are done applying your body lotion, the next thing is your body oil. This is what you use to seal in moisture. For me right now, this is a hydrating body oil. Some people use treatment body oil. For a treatment body oil, specifically, not those body oil that will just put things like for elbows, for darkening, for this, and they don't do that. I don't mean those type of treatment oil. I mean real treatment oil. Those ones you can apply it before your lotion, all right? But for other oils that are normal moisturizing, hydrating body oil like this, after you are done applying your body lotion, you just put it in your palm and apply it all over your skin. And now your skin is still not dry, because that is why you should make sure when you leave the bathroom you don't thoroughly dry out your skin, so that by the time you are still applying your body oil, your skin is still damp, because body oil is meant to be applied on a damp skin, not a dry skin. Now when you apply it on top of the body lotion. This seals the moisture that comes from your body lotion, and then your skin tends to stay hydrated for a longer period of time. Because for those of you who have a very dry skin, the reason your skin still keep getting dry after 2 to 3 hours of having your bath is because you are not sealing in moisture the proper way. Although some people do apply their body lotion and then add some body oil to it, mix it together and apply it on their body, and this is actually not my style. So I like to talk about what I do for my own skin. This is not my style, and this is not like the proper way for me to layer my skincare products. So I go in with oil after I've thoroughly applied my body lotion on my skin. That helps the hydration of my skin to last longer. So do not apply body oil when your skin is already dry out of the shower. No, you apply it immediately, and make sure to apply these products when you are in your bathroom. That is where the hydration and everything gets into your skin. Now that you know how to layer your skincare products from your cleanser to your body oil, for scrub, you don't do that every single day. You don't actually exfoliate your skin every single day. You exfoliate your skin twice in a week. So on days where you're not exfoliating your skin, you only just use your bath soap, go in with your body wash, and then out of the bathroom you apply your body lotion and your body oil. Now on days where you're also very busy, you don't have the time to do your full layering, you can just cleanse your skin, which is something that is important. Then you can just use your pre-cleansing bath soap twice on your body. Like you use it to wash your skin once, you rinse, then use it to wash your skin again. If you still don't have the time for that, you can just wash it once, then you apply your body lotion after shower, your body oil to seal up. Okay, so that's like a theory layering. So that's a very simple minimalist step for people who are so busy and don't have time for their full layering. But you know exactly how to layer your skincare product completely now, and I hope this video was really helpful. Please subscribe to see you in my next video.